Oh my god, this is dope.
Vlogging while driving, highly don't recommend it, but I am on my way to LA to do this whole launch party that May is doing, I guess at this store called Maxfield. I've never been there, but I did check it out on Google Maps, and I have shot at the restaurant right next to it, so I'm familiar with the area. I've always seen people there being in a long line waiting to get in for, I'm assuming they launch like special stuff, but today is the launch party of May. And so yeah, I'm gonna swing by, see what's up, see what they got going on, hopefully meet Christian. And I have, as you can see right there, I have one of the bikes right there. Oh yeah, and by the way, that's how we roll now. I didn't have to buy a $500 like bike rack thing. I figured out that the bike fits in the back seat, and then I have the other one in the trunk. So, you know, I'm gonna roll in there with two bikes, see what goes on. Hopefully it's fun. I'll see you guys there. All right, I just got here, I just parked, and as I was going around the street, I did see Christian, so hopefully we catch him right now. For right now, I'm gonna take out the bike. I did park right next to the building. I wanted to roll up with the electric bike, but I'm still gonna pull it out right in there and see what's up. Yeah, how's it going, man? What's your name?
Man.
Hudson.
Dude,
hey, what's up?
Awesome, man. Videos are dope.
Oh, I see the original Mate bikes right here. So I've always wanted to check one out and see one. Hey!
How are you doing?
The man of the hour.
How are you?
What's up, Christian?
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Same
Hey,
here.
man, how's it going?
Good, and you?
Hey, I'm doing great.
That's super cool that you came. Love it, man. I like this way.
Yeah, sounds good. Let me give you guys a little cool showing of the original Mate bikes. So are all these the same?
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
They are actually though from different batches. This is the latest generation of the regular Mate.
Oh,
the difference you can
okay.
see is the pedals. That's the noticeable difference. But we, like, it's an infinity project, so we keep on
Yeah,
improving
I
for
figured.
every production we do. That's part of
And I know the range. How far is like the best one? I guess like the most souped up one.
On the regular Mate, it again it depends on the weight
Yeah.
and everything. But I would say on the regular Mate it's around 55 miles if you use the
Okay.
pedal assist.
Pedal assist and all that. Yeah,
Yes.
I know that all matters. Even with electric cars, it's the same
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Hills and all that stuff,
Exactly.
weather. But this is really, really cool. Yeah, let's go inside.
Yeah,
Check
let's
it out.
go. Come check it out. And we also have champagne and beer if you
Oh,
like.
perfect.
Free flow. Hoppa.
This is my first time here, actually. This is
This is
cool.
Maxfield. It's one of the coolest stores in LA, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is actually. Within
Oh, the
fashion
coolest stores. You mean?
Yeah.
So you guys have all the Mate X. This is just for display.
That's for
right?
display and soon gonna be on pre-order with delivery after baggers.
Gotcha, gotcha.
And yeah, but then we have the regular Mates we have in stock, so that you can buy here and bring immediately over if you like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I can just get one of those.
You can get one of
today
those and get it in
then-
a box, whatever color you like, and you can
Wow,
take it.
that's cool. Color screen. So, what accessories do you guys have right now that you guys are selling? Do you guys sell anything?
Actually, not here in the store. Only
Not in the store.
product for now.
Oh,
we
okay.
start simple and then we see how it goes, and then we can add on. But actually, in the web shop soon, everything is going to become available with quick delivery because we closed a really good deal with a logistical company that can service worldwide. So we're piling up stock at the moment. So when you order in the shop, it's going to be more like Amazon, quick, 24 hours, and it's shipped and dispatched and done.
Which is what we need right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's coming up.
No, this is cool. Yeah, because so I know you guys have plans to do a lot of stores around different countries, right?
Yeah.
So do you guys know which cities will be the first ones, and when it'll happen?
When we're sorry, can you
Like opening up your own like store.
We're thinking about testing the concept first with the pop-up stores, and that's where we might do in New York, we might do one here, we're going to do one in Copenhagen for sure. We already have a shop in Copenhagen in our office, which is going well, but it's definitely something 2019 or Q1.
I'm assuming the biggest thing right now is getting all the bikes to the back.
Yes, that's number 1, 2,
Yeah,
and
that's
3.
number one.
Number 1, 2,
One, 2,
3,
three.
and then the 4 is the
4,
5, 6
yeah.
is the rest.
Gotcha. Nah, man, this is great, man. I appreciate this. This is really cool.
Yeah, super. You should also meet Michael, also a partner in Mate.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
And this is Michael Sergio.
Hi.
Hey, Michael. How's it going?
Pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I saw a lot of your stuff. Super
videos.
cool. Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
Cool. And coming from you guys, man, I really appreciate that.
No, very, very cool.
Yeah, I want to keep doing that as much.
But
as
now
I can.
area we start, you know, delivering all the baggers now, and they all like, I mean, super
Everyone
amazed
is
when
happy.
they get the, like that first like wow feeling that people get. It's like, oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Woo! It's powerful.
This thing is this thing is dumb.
I would say this one is probably the speedier, faster tire. They should go mostly in street, but this does excellent as well. No, and a little bit off-road.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah,
exactly,
So we go to the riverbed. So whenever there's dirt and anything, we're not afraid of getting in there. So yeah,
That's nice.
it does great.
Ah, awesome.
Yeah.
I look
So you
good,
wanna
Sergio.
check it out? Yeah.
It is electric.
Yeah,
it
just
is,
like
and
how
it's,
it
and
is.
it's wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful, Ian.
Pretty much.
Harder. Yeah, exactly. I'm telling you, that one you pat. This is so 15. I want one. I'm gonna kill somebody in this.
All right, so the DJ is still going strong in there, still partying. Again, it's only pre-order for the Mate X, and it's purchased now and take home for the original Mate bikes, which, again, I think I'm gonna get one. I'm not sure. You guys will find out by the end of the video. Sorry if this video has been a little bit long, but it's a really cool party. It's a really cool kind of environment when everybody that's coming, there's a lot of backers that came to come and check out the bike, and I think that was really cool for them to have come through and see the bike and experience it, because at the end of it, like I've been telling you guys from the very beginning, they all say the same thing. They ride the bike, they come back, and then they say, you know what, I can wait. All right, that's it for the event. Didn't really do much after what I spoke to you guys about. Just stayed there, helped out a lot of the people. Honestly, I felt like an employee because I was just talking to them and just letting them know about the bike. Some guy was like, yeah, you know a lot about the bike. Do you work for them? I was like, no, I just, you know, love the bike and I did a review for it, so I kind of have to know exactly what the bike is about. Christian is across the street. He's closing out everything. Christian, if you're watching this, thank you for hosting this really cool event. Thank you for being such a really cool, down-to-earth guy, just honest with everybody, and thank you for hosting the event. Michael, it was really nice meeting you as well. But yeah, thank you guys for everything that you guys have done. All right, so I told you guys I might get the small one, and don't tell the fiance, but I got a smaller one. And this is Alec, by the way. I met him at the party. Super cool dude.
Hello, mate.
Yep. So I'm telling you, just a lot of cool people in this event. And yeah, we're just gonna do a little unboxing because it doesn't fit in my car because I have both Mate X's in there and I didn't know I was gonna get another bike. So now we're gonna take it out of the box and try to make it fit in an Ultima. All right, check it out. Fiance's Mate X, my Mate X, and now the Mate City. Oh, the Mate S is what it is actually. So that's a quick unboxing on that, just to put it in my car. At the house, I'll assemble it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm super pumped for this bike because I really been wanting it, even though I have the Mate X, which is like, you know, better, I guess. But the smaller one is just because it's small, the color, and because it's just Mate. Like, I feel like, you know, those Apple people that just buy anything Apple because it's Apple. I feel like I'm like that now with Mate, where it's just like, I'm gonna buy it because it's Mate, and most likely will buy their next generation of bikes. So that's just the way it's gonna go. I'm just a big, huge fan, and I can't wait for you guys to experience what I've been experiencing and everybody else in this event. So yeah, check it out, and can't wait to show you guys the rest of the assembling of this burnt orange Mate S. Super cool bike, super pumped. Again, Christian, Michael, thank you. I appreciate you guys.